Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a gift guide for kids, teens, really anyone. I mean, I'm gearing it towards kids because that's what I have and that's who I buy for most in my life is like my kids, my nieces, my nephews, and all of that. So, but really these pertain to just about anyone. They are not something like necessarily tangible, not like something you can grow out of per se, something you can just use a few times and be like thanks and then throw it away. These are experience gifts. We do this with our kids every year for their birthdays for sure. I mean, depending on what's happening, sometimes you just can't find an experience necessarily that's happening like a big thing. But we try to do that every year for Christmas, and that is what we do for their birthdays. We get them something small that goes along with what they're doing. Like last year for Austin's birthday, we took him to a Celtics game because his birthday is January 1st. They usually always play a game that day, and for Layton we took her to the Gold Over America tour. It was all the Olympic gymnasts and it was amazing. Like she absolutely loved it. We did that for both of their birthdays, but we try to do the same for Christmas. So I'm looking into, it is so expensive, it won't be this year, but number one on my list is season tickets to something. Sounds like it's crazy, but you can get and like buy in bundles, like Red Sox games. We go to Red Sox games every single year. You can get like season tickets and you pick 5 games. You can pick like Wednesday night games in the summer. You can pick all these different things that, you know, you don't have to spend like $10,000 on this because obviously that's wild, but that's like an awesome kid gift, awesome family gift to do that. Like that's what we get every year for Kevin and I get each other for Mother's Day and Father's Day. As a family, we all go to a Red Sox game because like Fenway is our favorite place to be. If you do not know and you are new here, we are die-hard New England sports fans. Red Sox, Patriots, Celtics, Bruins, all of it. We love it. We are big like go to game people. So sporting events, obviously always so fun and such an easy gift. Right now they are crazy expensive though, so I will say that. So bear in mind. The second thing on my list is concerts. So we have near us within like an hour on either side, we have like a small concert venue. So like if there's somewhere that your kids want to go, it's very small, very manageable. You know, Morgan Wallen tickets are going on sale tomorrow. That will be my Christmas present to myself. I know Taylor Swift tickets went on sale. Those are obviously like 2 like really big ones and like a crazy amount of money. However, it's such a good experience thing. People have no problem dropping like $500, $600, $700 on a gaming console or something like that. And then they're like, oh, I can't pay that much for a ticket like to something. It's an experience. You're gonna go, you're gonna enjoy it, and a gaming console you're gonna use, you know, here and there, and then in 2 years it's gonna be outdated and you're gonna have to buy a new one. So those memories last forever. The third thing I have in mind is like a zoo or an art museum near you, or like we have the Boston's Children's Museum, which is like an hour away, buying annual passes for that. There's also like a lot of like amusement parks if you live in Disney, getting your kids annual passes for Universal or for Disney or Magic Kingdom or any of those places is always such an awesome gift. We bought the kids, I think a couple years ago, Legoland passes, yearly passes, and then COVID happened. So, and they're kind of like thrown out of the Legoland now, but the year before we went so many times that we were like, if you look at how many times you go, you end up saving money when you buy the annual passes. I know the aquarium is the same way. Boston's Children's Museum, we have another children's museum that's probably, like I said, another hour or so away from us. If you just look in your area and if you use like Groupon or something like that, it usually can get really good deals on that stuff. So number 4, online courses. Online courses are such an amazing, amazing gift, and you can really give it to someone and really tailor it to what they want. There's so many places online for like business stuff, or if you want to learn marketing, or if you want to learn anything like that. This year, for myself and actually for my niece, I purchased the online makeup academy course. It's amazing. Like, you can learn so much stuff. I did the beginner one, and you learn all about like how to set up a makeup station, how to sanitize everything, absolutely everything you need to be a makeup artist, like your starter kit. You learn all of like the basics. And when you are done with the program, you get an actual certificate that you passed, and they partner with so many brands. I actually have a screenshot on my phone because I just was like floored. Oh, I'm sorry. It was pro cards and discounts you'll get at like NYX, Smashbox, L'Oreal, Becca, Morphe, Stila, Naked Cosmetics, Anastasia, like not little. This is like an example of, it's hard to see, of the certificate that they give you, like makeup, master makeup artist course. It has a seal. They are based out of New York. They have an actual school like in New York City, and all of the people that are teaching you all of these courses are working right there at that school. So it's just an amazing, amazing thing. It really, like, there's graphic makeup, like if you're doing like costume makeup or Halloween makeup or any of those, there's very like specific classes and courses you can take, which I just find super cool. I love playing with makeup. I think I do like a decent job just from watching YouTube videos and stuff like that, but I absolutely love makeup, and my niece is going to school to do cosmetology. So I thought this was an amazing birthday / Christmas gift, because her birthday is in January. So I am combining these two, and you get lifelong access. So I can even be like next year, hey, last year I bought you that makeup academy class. So I think it is an amazing, amazing tool. There is so much on there that you can learn. I saw a course that came up, which I thought was so cool, and I can't wait to take it. I haven't done this one yet. I think it popped up, like they come up with different things like as you've been searching. So something came up for sanitizing. I am horrible at cleaning my makeup brushes, and that's so disgusting. So that is a class I bookmarked and I'm making sure I am taking to properly learn how to clean my brushes, because I always get like breakouts and stuff like right along my jawline, and I swear it's from using like beauty blenders and all of that like yucky stuff and not properly cleaning my makeup brushes, because it's just so gross. They collect so much, and I just leave them sitting on my bathroom counter. So that is huge. And there is all that stuff that you don't really think about. Like, you can watch makeup videos on YouTube or something like that, and you can learn how to apply eyeshadow or anything like that. But this is like how to start like your business. This is, you're getting a certificate. This is really giving someone the gift of, like I said, starting their own business. There's even a bundle on there that, hopefully my niece isn't watching, I think I am going to buy her. It is their whole makeup starter set. So that's amazing that they have everything listed out for you. They work with amazing brands, like I said. There's also a lot of hair tutorials and different classes on that as well. So it really ties into all of the cosmetology end of stuff. So if that is something you are interested in for yourself or for someone else, I'll leave a link right down here. I have a code that will get you $100 off that program. And like I said, you have a lifetime access. So they upload new stuff, they add new classes, you buy it once, you have lifelong access to it, and you don't have to like complete it and do it. You do it at your own pace whenever you are ready, whenever you have time, because I know I don't have time to sit down and like crash do this whole course. So I'm gonna just do it when I have time. But someone like my niece who is going to school for this, she can do this right online. She can already have her certificate when she completes it and already have a leg up with her peers. So I think that is an amazing, amazing gift. Online classes, because people can do them when they want. You are providing them with education, you are providing them with a job skill, and just giving them that kind of leg up on their competition. So the last item in my list, number 5, is tickets to movies. I know this has been like tickets, but like movie passes, or if they are into like book clubs or things like that, like really tailor-made things that you can give to someone. Like my nephew loves going to the movies, so we get him the annual like passes, and you can do like, they can go every, I don't know, it's like certain movies, they can go once a week or twice a week or something like that, or as much as they want. We buy that pass for him every year because it's something that he uses. My in-laws love to read. They love it. We make sure you can like go on to online and do like a book club, and they get books every month, like that you can kind of pick what they are into. They like to read certain things. I know what they like to read. I put them in, and they send the books that they have never heard of, and they have probably all these books. So those are all amazing gifts. Things that are so just like tailor-made for people, and like I said, that aren't just like, here's a Lego set, here is a doll that you're gonna play with for a week. My job as a mom is to buy all those fun things, but this is more for like, and you could totally do these for your kids too, but it's more for, you know, like your nieces, your nephews. Like I said, we do this for our kids' birthdays and things like that. Experiences. I feel like we end up having so much fun. It's good family time. You are learning something, like with the makeup classes, you are starting a business, and you are getting an amazing education that you can use. Even if you're going to school to do something else, you can use that as backup. You can just use it for fun, like I'm gonna do, and learn how to do my makeup better, and like blend my makeup and do cool eyeshadows and all that kind of stuff. You're spending family time, and you're spending your money on something that you can all do together as a family. So that is my 5 experience suggestions for Christmas, any holiday, birthday, really any time of the year that you are buying gifts for someone. So all this stuff doesn't end up in a landfill. You know how big I am on recycling and the earth and reusing reusable things and all that kind of stuff. So these are also super important to me for many reasons, but that being one of them. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the Online Makeup Academy. I will have all the information linked down below. You also have a discount code, so that is amazing. Make sure you get that $100 off, and let me know in the comments down below once you have tried it how much you love it, or if you have any questions, because I am going to be taking the sanitizing class tonight. That's on my list. When I go to bed tonight, instead of watching like TikTok or something like that, I am going to watch how to sanitize and clean my brushes properly. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.